Hi, my name is Helen and I work for the Mississauga Library. Today for our March break Maker Coding program, we're going to make ASCII binary coding bookmarks. You can pick up your free kit from any Mississauga Library branch while supplies last. So let's get started. Your free kit will include 3 different colored beads, your ASCII binary alphabet sheet, and a piece of string. Choose 2 letters from the ASCII binary alphabet sheet. I will choose the letters M and L. Having chosen the letters M and L, we can see with our corresponding ASCII binary alphabet sheet our 0s and 1s and our spacer. Beginning with our first letter, M, we can see that our first code is a 0, which will be represented by the white beads. So I have tied on a white bead to the end of my string. So that's going to be my first letter, a 0. And now I'm going to string the 1. And I'm going to continue until I have completed the letter. So 0 is the white, 1 is the black, and we have 2 more zeros. Followed by 2 1s, followed by another 0, and our last 1. Now we are going to place a spacer in between our letters. For our next letter, L, we can see that we are starting with 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So let's go ahead and thread those beads. And now what I'm going to do is use my string and just tie a knot through the last bead. So we can now see that we have the code for the letters M and L. So here is our finished product. Thank you for watching. Please visit our website for details on what's coming up and for our digital 24/7 services where you can download ebooks, audiobooks, music, magazines, movies, and so much more.